Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by selecting the armature and immediately entering pose mode. This gives you direct control over bones. Once done, pick a clear pivot like the active bone or 3D cursor so rotations behave predictably. Make sure X-ray or in front is enabled to see bones through the mesh, and double-check selection filters so only bones respond. These steps remove friction and let you begin posing without toggling modes mid-workflow. Now manipulate bones with intent. Press R to rotate, G to move, and S to scale, locking axes with X/Y/Z when necessary. Once you have basic motion, enable Auto IK for quick limb posing or add constraints like IK or copy rotation to preserve realistic behavior. Make sure to organize bones into layers and save frequent positions to a pose library so you can recall complex setups. This keeps poses consistent and speeds up iteration as you refine movement. To finish, insert pose keyframes or push the action into the NLA for animation, and remember to save a rest pose with Control plus A to apply transforms if required. Once done, scrub the timeline and preview motions to confirm transitions are smooth. If you encounter mesh distortion or odd joint twists, check weight painting, bone roll alignment, and constraint influence. Correcting those typically resolves most issues. If problems persist, revert to a saved pose and tweak bone orientations carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.